good morning. Welcome to Intellectual Property Office. My name is Anya Ruja. If you follow me, this is our general information area in which someone will tell you where the exhibition is being held and what information you can retrieve. If you watch the board here, this was done by members of staff. They will tell you what is the general information. There are two main branches of Intellectual Property Office. This is the industrial property side, and over here you will see copyright and related rights.
Keep going. Keep going.
And if you follow me again, this is also members of staff of Intellectual Property Office. This here you will see the copyright tree. Over here, members of public will get information concerning what is copyright, Section 5, Section 6, copyright related international treaties. You'll also get card rights, what is moral rights, what is the duration of copyright protection. This is a display that was done also by members of staff. It has books, special painted stuff. One member of staff in particular did this bully. It mainly teaches us about pirating CDs, burning up CDs off of the internet, which is illegal by the way. So we named him the Pirate Bully. Sorry about that. This is our copyright infringement ship. You will see DC is set apart here for news reporting and whatnot. The ship will talk about piracy and illegal downloading. This is it. If you like, we can.
Alright, go.
Intellectual Property Office had an in-house competition for members of staff in which a slogan and master competition was done. This side will tell us the first prize, the second prize, also the two prize winners. Here you will see the honorable mention. On this side we have the slogans. Again you will see the first prize, the second prize, also the third prize. The honorable mentions were also placed under here. You can follow me, please. These are also the members of staff. This is Rochelle Davidson, followed by the studio secretary. This is our partners unit.
Only after about 10 years
Any information given on this, you can simply ask, this is Mr. Archie. Can you tell us some information on partners, please?
The other thing that's important
It's a very technical area. When I say technical, these are technology, new inventions, things that you take for granted. They're not life jackets up there because inflatable life jackets were actually invented by a young person, a child actually. Yes, less than 18.
that's why, for instance,
A paper bag machine, which was initially done by a young inventor again. People might not know what Alexander Graham Bell, for example, started work on his telephone when he was about 18. Television sets, whole scanning electron television, the whole large ones, were actually done by Mr. Farnsworth when he was a teenager. That's when they started. So it's not a society needs to consider how it encourages these young people to be creative and express themselves, because that's where the next generation of ideas and inventions come from.
Over here you will find our circuit section. This is Suren. He will be able to give you some information about it. Okay then. Well, actually we'll put on to Mr. Archie again for this section. Mr. Archie, can you please tell us a little of this section, please?
Integrated circuits projects three-dimensional disposal of electrical components in a circuit board. What people know as computer chips or circuit boards. The inside of watches, PCs, cell phones for sure. In fact, some of the very smallest ones you see inside these ordinary phones at the back. Also, nearly every gadget we have now has an integrated circuit. Things we take for granted. But there is intellectual property of all these circuit board pieces are arranged, which over the years has allowed them to become more and more compact and smaller. So what used to be a room-sized PC is now something that fits here, and now something that fits right here. Brand. Great.
We come over to new plant varieties now. This is Mr. Shiva Maraj. He can explain to you further on this.
Hi, good morning. I'm here with new plant varieties. New plant varieties generally are previously known group of plants that are consistently and significantly different from other species. In Trinidad and Tobago, there are 5 main groups of plants that are protectable under the new plant varieties Act of Trinidad and Tobago. You have anthuriums, bromeliads, heliconias, most recently Theobroma cacao, which is commonly known as cocoa, and 2 other species. Currently, Trinidad and Tobago belongs to the UPOV Convention, which is an international treaty that deals with the plant registration system. And under this treaty, we have advised to include these particular species to the listing. Generally, the duration of protection is 18 years and 15 years. 18 years would occur after grant, and specifically for ornamentals, tree vines, and the 15 years would be responsible for other genera species under the Trinidad and Tobago Act. And that's generally a little bit about new plant varieties. Thank
Industrial designs. Let me just get someone to tell you further about this. This is fixed up with door. Sorry. Let's get you further what is industrial designs. Can you please tell me what does industrial designs means?
Industrial design is a different shape, size and configuration of a particular object.
That's it for industrial design. If you see the table over here, you will see different things such as
Something different. So you try your tea, you take it. Yeah, this one is short.
Alright, go.
we are now entering into our trademark protocol unit. You can come in this door, please. This is our trademarks unit section. This is Shubita. She'll be able to explain to you further on what is trademark.
Well, shall pass it over to Shamla for this part, but basically here we have the trademark route, which shows you all the different steps and the stages that are involved in filing and registering a trademark in Trinidad. So I'll pass it over to Shamla.
What we What we have here is that from the filing of our application and the process that it will go through until registration is granted. And then we come across on this side.
Right, here we have some examples of local trademarks. So here we have examples of local trademarks that have been filed in Trinidad. Many of them are well known to the consumer here. For example, Carib, Oasis, Orchard, Chubby, Angostura, which was the first trademark to be registered in Trinidad actually. Casey Candy, Rituals, very popular Kiss Cakes. And next set we have international trademarks that have been registered in Trinidad. The popular ones of course being Coca-Cola, KFC, Apple, and M&M's. And here we have a game by members of the public to participate where we have very well-known marks and we invite them to identify the marks.
That is Trinidad Natural Gas, CNM Juice, Adidas.
That's a good one. That's a tricky one.
If you're happy and
Not
you
sure.
do it,
And Mila Masi.
This section is called the Madrid Protocol. I'll put you on to Miss Anelia right now and she can explain to you further on what is the Madrid Protocol.
Hi, I'm Anelia. This is the Madrid Protocol. Deals with the international registration of trademarks. And the Madrid Protocol is part of the Madrid system. And the system consists of two treaties. You have the agreement and the Madrid Protocol. And what this protocol allows for the applicant to have his trademark protected in several countries with the filing of a single application. So with this single application, you can have a mark protected in several countries once you have selected them and who are party to the Madrid Protocol. So this is just a visual display of what really takes place in the application from the home country to WIPO, which is located in Switzerland, and then to the selected countries. Here we have Rachel and
Hi, we come over now to the geographical indication. This is Mr. Kavish Sitahab. He will explain to you fully on what this is.
Right, so geographical indication is basically a name or a sign used on products which corresponds to a specific area around the world. So for example, most people know what champagne is. Nice bottle of wine. Champagne. A lot of people don't know that Champagne is actually a region. And we have some cards here and it shows you the region. And it says that Champagne is in France. So Champagne, the grapes that used to create it, come from France. And they're specifically grown in a certain way. And that's why it corresponds to that region in France, which makes the quality even better. And that's why it's a geographical indication. And these are GIs from around the world. These two tables are GIs from around the world. And these are what we call geographical indications that register. These are what we think are potential geographical indications, meaning that we think they can be geographical indications. And we have some from Jamaica, like their Blue Mountain coffee. Their Blue Mountain coffee is, really high quality coffee. Yeah, and then their rum. Yeah. Grand Couva cocoa is from Trinidad. Come on people, Grand Couva cocoa is some of the best cocoa in Trinidad. Yeah, some of the best cocoa from around the world. Grand Couva cocoa, don't get better than that. Yeah, Maruga scorpion peppers. Yeah, the scorpion pepper sauce there. Now, you're taking a chance on touching the peppers. Eh? Scorpion peppers, see the tail? Scorpion peppers.
because we don't check.
So, high quality products, high quality. And that's why it's a geographical indication. Cuban cigars, for example. Yeah, Cuban cigars. Must come from Cuba. Mexican tequila. from Chile region in Mexico. Cognac is a region in France. Scotch whiskey must come from Scotland. Colombian coffee, obviously from Colombia. It's really high quality products. Yes, it makes it more expensive, but you gotta pay for good quality, right?
Go.
Thanks for coming to the Intellectual Property Day exhibition, April 26. We do look forward to seeing you again. Have a good day. Bye.